and you can, kind of learn along with us. Just in case you haven't already seen it, this is the book here. It's the Introduction to Statistical Learning. So I really like this book. This book is where professional data science begins, right? This is how you study data science at a professional level. And I want to honor the authors by building on their work, not copying their work. So what I'm doing to build upon their work is I'm teaching the class with us using AI tools. We are not going to be writing any code ourselves. We're going to be using AI to write the code for us, because that's really, I really believe that's where the future of data science development is going. That's what's going to be required of you in the future when you're a data scientist. So that's what I'm doing in order to kind of help everybody learn. I do it as a live class, so feel free to come on Sunday. If you can't make it, the recordings are saved on YouTube, so you can view the recordings up there. If you want, go ahead and go on my YouTube and you can look at last Sunday's class. That was the first class. You can kind of get a feel for how I run things. But I think it's a lot of fun, and I think people are learning from it. So hopefully you guys will join us on Sunday.